Today we go from this early riser workshop to this, a stack of 2x4s and pieces of plywood. I enjoy being in my shop. Like a chef in a kitchen, it's where I feel most creative and find great satisfaction in working with my hands. Whether I'm fixing something, building something to share, or just fooling around learning how to do something. After a while, I instinctively know where to step, reach, grab, set up, and then do the thing that I'm doing. It became my happy place, and it's going to be hard to leave this shop behind us when we move. What you're watching now is the teardown of my early riser workshop. Like a lot of men and women makers, I set up my two-car garage to be a shop that meets my specific interests and using the space that I had to work with. When my dad passed away, I protected his prized model airplanes in paper for handling and for storage due to their fragile balsa wood construction. The raised platform or mezzanine served its primary purpose as their safe haven, well out of the way and left undisturbed. Underneath, I created two lighted spaces, one with a hobby bench and both with wall shelving. As a renter, I wasn't afraid to customize my garage into a shop. With a design that respected the owner's property, using screws instead of nails, I built this massive structure. It provided for overhead storage, leaving floor space for my tools and rolling cabinets. Most of my major tools are mobile and wheeled in and out as needed, making room for project building or car parking. This not only allowed for flexibility over the past few years, it made relocation easier now that we're moving. In the middle of our teardown and packing, my last project in this workshop was helping my son Aaron build a tall oak bookcase he designed for his apartment. We took video footage of the build, but editing will have to wait for another day. Working side by side with Aaron was wonderful. I'm impressed with his design and artistry skills, as well as the new skills he's been learning with woodworking. So that's it for now. I'll share video of the new shop once we get settled. Until then, remember to have fun and stay safe.